Thank you very much for visiting my profile. I'm Ankit Kundalia, Director of Tecocraft Ltd, here to help you for your website, mobile app and customized software development. We are an ISO certified, top-rated agency with 100% job success score on Upwork. With a task force of 75 plus skilled developers, we thrive on helping you with your project to drive its success with quality of work, user experience and return on investment. We have expertise in CMS development, e-commerce, native app, cross-platforms such as Flutter and React Native, as well as in Backend, PHP, Laravel, Node and Python. Devops, and as an expansor, cybersecurity is our next addition. For us, user experience is our number one priority, and that is why we are the highest rated service provider on Upwork with many job experiences. We take immense pride in respecting the deadlines and our delivery. It would be a pleasure to hear about your project and how we can help you with our expertise and resources. Contact me now because I would love to give you a quick introduction call to help you ensure that my agency is what you are looking for. I really appreciate and acknowledge you checking out my profile, and I really look forward to meeting you. Thank you.